Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me. Day 4 of the Trailer Queen bike build. Shops are back open after the bank holiday, so I decided to get some small bits and pieces to assist in the clean-up of the wheel hubs and to try out the chrome paint to try and refurbish the fork stanchions. Yes, it's a dodgy task. I haven't seen any YouTube videos where it's been totally successful, but I decided to give it a go. My fork stanchions are heavily pitted and something had to be done. You can get them re-chromed if you fancy stripping them and then spending £150, but I didn't. So I bought some primer, a small tin Umbrella primer, which turned out to be greyish, and a very small can of chrome spray. That's presently drying. The bike's outside under an umbrella in case of rain showers. So I'll report back at possibly the next video I make. So don't hold your breath for good quality, but we'll see what's possible. I'm getting closer to mounting the seat and tank. I positioned the tank, positioned the seat, marked a section at the front of the seat which I wanted to cut off, and that's where I am with progress of the tank and seat. I decided I needed a stand for the bike, and lo and behold, in my garage I had one that I'd built for a previous bike. So a couple of pieces of parallel rod inserted in very convenient holes in the swinging arm, and they took the place of what they call bobbins. No, I don't know why either. So what's the benefit of this stand? It allows me to lift the back wheel off the ground and rotate the wheel when I'm cleaning up, and we'll see this stand and the process in the clean-up video. Rear shockers arrived. Gorgeous, fully chromed springs exposed. Should drop straight in place. I'm loath to fit them till I get the back wheel cleaned up a bit. That's something that I couple of bolts on either side, top and bottom of the shockers, and they're finished and fitted. What with one thing and another, parts arriving, lunch to prepare, and general everyday needs, I haven't seemed to get much done today, especially as I broke into my work day to go to the shops for parts. Anyway, thanks for watching. Join me again soon.